I know it's been a minute since I dropped the video, man. It's been a whole month, but I got the people been, where you been at, Dre? I said, man, look, let me get these people something, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to re-dye your suede, bring your suede back to life, man. Like these baby files, man, they faded. I don't know what this baby been doing. They babies, you know, you expect the worst from them. So I'm gonna show you how to bring these suede shoes back to life, re-dye and get them back red. And also, I'm gonna show you how to do some black also. First thing first, man, when you're doing major suede restorations, always take the laces out, man. You don't want none of that suede residue to hit the laces and none of that to change the color. These are red, so they cool. Next up, we're going to get these boys a bath, man. You already know if you watch my former videos, blue soap only, man. The blue soap, don't get these shoes back clean. Most of the time, though, when your shoes ashy, that's the answer most of y'all questions, man. They only need to get clean. You give them a nice deep cleaning and let them dry for a few hours, the shoe gonna be all good. That's mostly what you need, but these need a major surgery. I ain't gonna even hold you. These boys back in the game. You see what that deep cleaning just got these boys, man. These need a little more work though, man. As you see though, it's a big difference. One is clean and one African booty scratcher ashy, man. So most of the times all you need is a deep cleaning, but this shoe need a little more work. We're gonna get to the next step right now. Always unnap your suede after you get done cleaning them so you can wake it back up so it can look back normal. Yes, you have to do it because that's the step a lot of you always miss, and your suede look funny after you get done cleaning it. You probably like, hey man, Dre, my shoe needs more work, man. The cleaning just ain't working, my guy, man. Most of the times, man, you need to re-dye. What I'm doing is re-dyeing the suede with red suede dye from Angelus. Angelus suede dye red. That's all you need for your red fives. But keep in mind, this does not work for every shoe. Like if you got some blue suede fives, just don't buy no blue suede that's gonna work, man. You have to experiment with your dyes, man. The dyes is a tough process. You might have to color match it. Like only so many colors you can do, man. I think it's red, blue, green, maybe a brown. You just got to experiment with it, man. That's all the free game I can really give you with the dye, man. Like, don't be putting just, oh, I got yellow suede shoes, I'm about to smack them with some yellow dye. You gonna fuck your shoes up, man. You have to know these things. You got to experiment with them, man. It took me years to know these things. I have to get a free game to you, so this type of stuff don't happen to you, because I don't want y'all coming to me like, man, Dre, you send me out, bro. No, I just know these need red dye. I'm gonna give them red dye. So just experiment with your dyes, you should be good. After you get done doing the suede, man, make sure they're dry. I say give them about an hour, maybe 2, man. Make sure they dry. Then you unnap your suede after that, because they were wet before they got back stiff. So unnap your suede, man. You can see in the back it's a big difference. Them motherfuckers is ashy. They were gone. They were dirty. Like, look at the big difference. But we gonna get to that later. I got one more step for you. It's not necessarily needed, but if you don't want none of the suede residue, suede dye residue getting on your pants or your customer fingers or your fingers, lock it up with some mink oil, man. You're going to waterproof the shoe, man. Then the shoe is ready to go, man. Also, it conditions the suede and keep it soft. It's night and day. I don't have to even explain myself, man. I just showed you all the free game, but we're not done yet. I got to show you how to do black, because black is very important. You see these Uggs right here? I did all the cleaning steps I needed to do. They're back clean, but they got that fade look to them. We can't do that. I can't give them to the customer back like this. We want them rich and black like she got them out the box, man. So I'm going to show you the most important step on black. Sorry, Angelus suede dye, I gotta get you out the way, man. Never use Angelus suede black dye because it'll turn your shoe purple. I want to recommend you this. MB suede renewal, whatever. Just screenshot it, look at it, and use this brand right here. If you ever see me doing some black on my page, I'm using this brand right here. This will get the black results you need. Make sure you tape your shoe up, everything. I don't need to take the shoe up because the shoe is all black. It's never gonna leave residue or anything like that on this. But if you see me doing a black shoe, I'm using this to redye the suede and bring it back to life. This is gonna give you them black results you want. It's not gonna leave no purple or brown residue like Angela's suede. That's sorry, Angela's. You gotta go. Never use Angela's. Use this right here. Free game. You know I gotta do the how to use it, because you know it's gonna be that one person. How you doing? I need that. Every time you, before every use, make sure you got a little mat something, because I ain't gonna lie, when you spray it though, it do leave a little residue. It can stain your couch or whatever on your floor. I don't want y'all mamas overbeating y'all. I don't want y'all to mess up y'all tables. None of that. You see, I got the little blue matte thing, so I don't get it all on my table, man. But a couple of coats of this gonna get your black suede back in the game. As you see, man, they were ashy before. I gave them a few sprays and they back black, black, black. Just look how faded they were, man. The black dye I recommended, like, I'm never gonna steer my people wrong. I always got y'all. The Shoe God is for the people, man. Like, look at the before and after. If this video helped you, man, I appreciate it if you liked and subscribe, man. And I'm gonna come up with another video to give y'all the free game, man.